In this video, I will be discussing about the attempt strategy for LRDI section of CAT 2025. So basically how many questions you have to attempt and in what order you have to attempt and how much time you have to spend on per set. If we start our discussion with the LRDI latest trend, so let's start with the pattern first. You would have around 22 questions in your LRDI section that you needed to solve in around 40 minutes. Earlier, there used to be 20 questions that you need to solve in around 40 minutes. But as per the latest year pattern, there were 5 sets in total. 3 sets had 4 questions each and 2 sets had 5 questions each. If you want to see exactly what type of questions came in those 22, I have linked a PDF in the description that lists all the type. You can check it out later. Now we understand the difficulty trend. So now the main question comes, how many questions you have to attempt. For that, you need to understand the difficulty level for the LRDI section in your CAT. So if you would notice, VRC marks have gone down, which means there is difficulty that has been increased. LRDI marks have gone up, means they are slightly easier now. Quant has remained almost the same, only the year 2023 was a bit of unusual side. This clearly shows that now students are attempting more questions in LRDI because the overall difficulty has decreased a bit. This clearly shows that now students are attempting more questions in LRDI because the difficulty level has gone down. How many questions to attempt for 99 percentile? So now the golden question, how many questions you have to attempt to get around 99 percentile in your CAT DLR section? So if I would have made this video last year, I would say you have to attempt around 60% questions with around 90% accuracy. That can easily fetch you around 99 percentile in your CAT. But the pattern has changed and the trend has changed for the last year. Now you need to attempt around 75% question with around 90% accuracy. So that means attempt around 16 questions out of 22 and get around 14 questions correct. That can easily fetch you around 99 percentile in your CAT exam, in your LRDI section. Now let's discuss about the time division per set. So 16 questions roughly come from 4 sets. That means you should aim to solve at least 4 sets in the paper. You have got 40 minutes in total. That roughly estimates around 9 minutes, 30 seconds per set. Out of these 40 minutes, you will spend around 2 minutes scanning the section. Now what you understand by scanning? Scanning means quickly you have to take the glance of each section and you have to decide which set you will attempt, in what order, and what are the ones that you are going to leave in this slot. So basically you will plan your paper before you will start to solve them. How to decide which set to attempt? How you will decide that what are those 4 sets that you are going to solve? There are few factors that you need to consider while deciding those things. So first is if the set is from DI section or from LR section. Okay, what type of question it is? How lengthy does it look? Does it contain data type questions? How many total questions are there in the set, whether 4 or 5? So you have to focus on 3 things. First, type of questions, length of the set, and the number of questions. So let me explain you with the example of CAT 2024 slot 1. So let's take an example. The first set was a data interpretation question based on a bar graph and it was short, only 5 constraints were given. The second set was of a DI question, again a bar graph and short. The third set was a logical reasoning games and tournament based question, quite lengthy, but it had 5 questions, so I'll mark a star. The fourth set was a short graph based DI question. The fifth set was another LR question related to percentages, again lengthy, but also had 5 questions, so please star mark that too. So if I had to pick 4 sets out of these 5, here how I would be doing it. The first 3 DI sets are short and graph based. These would be my first 3 choices. Among them, I'd probably start with first, then third, and then second, mostly depending upon which one seemed more interesting or easier to read at the start. For the fourth set, I would choose the games and tournament based set because I have practiced a lot during my preparation time. So this would be my order to attempt my paper of LRDI. Now 2 important points that you have to consider. First, it is not necessary that the lengthy sets will be difficult too. Reading a long set will take so much of your time that you would not be able to reach to the solving part very quickly. So the smarter strategy is to attempt the shorter set so that you can quickly reach to the solving portion. because if they are not doable, you can quickly move on. Okay, so the point to how quickly you have to decide whether you have to leave a set or you have to pick up that set. Within 3 minutes you should know what the set is asking, and within 5 minutes in total you should have a base ready, like table, chart, notes that will help you to start solving. And if you are still not confident in those 5 minutes, better is to leave that set and move on. So final wrap up for this discussion. So the key takeaways are very, very simple. Attempt around 16 questions, have around 90% accuracy, spend the first 2 minutes in scanning the sets, aim for 4 sets in 40 minutes. Thank you.